So one of the biggest misconceptions in diet is around protein. Ideally, we want to be having 1.6 grams of protein intake per kilogram of body weight per day. Now that is a lot. So say for an 80 kilogram person, that's about 128 grams of protein.
All right,
So
let's see,
in
80
beef,
kilogram. Let me work that into pounds because, most of my audience, I'm an engineer by education, and even that. So that puts that about 176 pounds.
yeah. Yeah. So, in terms of getting that protein intake, so let's take beef for an example. 100 grams of beef is about 25 grams of protein. So to reach the protein targets, you'd be having, around half a kilogram of beef every day. Now, I'm not saying that you should do that. I'm just trying to give that as an illustration
Hmm.
about how difficult it is to reach those protein targets. Every meal, I want them to make a conscious thought about where's my protein coming from in this meal. Am I having, chickpeas, lentils, beans? Am I having, tofu, chicken, fish? Where is your protein coming from in each meal?